Let's try something a little bit different today. Circle our planet. Let's do some orange, some pumpkin orange, light yellow, mango, swell, dab it. Just a touch of shading here. Now we're going to do a bunch of orange and yellow right here. Yellows, oranges. Put some orange and yellow. Now we're going to take black, lay it over most of the painting here. We're going to swipe, put some dabs, some white on the palette knife, click on some stars. A white highlight to our planet here. So we're going to reveal our planet. Now we want to add some buildings here. Add some water, some white down. Now carefully we want to swipe. There it is. Now we're going to add some fog, the skyline here. Now we want to add a little bit of black to the edge. Dope.